Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the orbital and its type. Let's try to understand what is the orbital. So, to understand the orbital, first of all you should know what is the orbit. Okay. So, you know according to Bohr's atomic model or Rutherford atomic model, what they said that is electrons are moving on the circular path. Like that Bohr's atomic model say electrons are moving on the circular path. Okay. But now when the quantum mechanical model came, okay, so in the quantum mechanical model said that is electrons are not moving on the circular path. Okay, electrons are not moving on the circular path, and circular path is known as orbit. Electron is actually, okay, where is present, electron is present in the orbital. So what is orbital? Let us try to understand, student, what is meaning of orbital. Here I am writing the definition, you should also try to understand. It is it is it is the three-dimensional space. It is the three-dimensional dimensional space. It is three-dimensional space. What is, student? Space where probability of finding electron is maximum. Where probability of finding electron is maximum. Of finding electron is maximum. So student, that is how to understand that is orbital. So orbital is the place where the probability of the finding electron is maximum. Try to understand, student. Suppose here is the nucleus is there, and where the electron is probability of finding electron is maximum, that region is three-dimensional region is known as what? Orbital. So this region, wherever the probability is there, where maximum probability, where the probability of finding electron is maximum, that is known as what? This is the area is known as, student, orbital. Okay. So that we have to understand, that is what is orbital. Orbital is three-dimensional space where finding of electron is maximum. A student, on the basis of availability of electron in the space, orbitals are so many types. Okay, so these orbitals actually classified into four categories. Okay, so let us study, student, what we are going to next study: types of orbitals. So when you are going to study, student, types of orbital, so the very first type is known as s orbital. So let us write down, student. First one is s orbital. Dear student, first type of orbital is s orbital. Then we are going for the next one. Second type is p type orbital. P orbital. Now after p orbital there is the small d. Okay, small d. All are small actually. D orbital. And that is last one is fourth one is what is, student? F orbital. Okay, so basic knowledge we have to understand for this all the three type of orbital, student. What basic things we have to understand? That is S for spherical. Okay, this is the spherical shape. This one is P for, that is dumbbell shape. This is the dumbbell shape. And this one is what, student? This is the double dumbbell shape. Actually spelling is that dumbbell shape. Double dumbbell shape. Okay. And when you are talking about the F orbital, it is the complex shape. Okay, complex, either say complex shape, or the another name is also there, diffuse shape. Okay, diffused shape. So dear student, we have to understand this all the four type of orbital. There the shape is what is, first one is the probability of finding electron in s orbital is spherical, and this one in the p orbital dumbbell shape, and d orbital that is double dumbbell shape, and f orbital either you say complex shape or you can say diffuse shape, anything you can say. Another information we have to understand, that is the, if you are going to understand in the detail, student, they are also classified into subcategory also. Let us study one by one. So first one we are going to study, that is s orbital. So s orbital, when you are talking, student, it is it is only one type. First one, it is only one type. Okay, it does not have more than two types, so it is only one type. And that is its shape is what is its shape, student? Its shape is, if you talk about shape, that is its shape is spherical. Its shape is what, student? This is shape is spherical. So if you trying to draw the shape of s orbital, that is the, here is the center and this is s orbital. So we can say that is figure s orbital. Dear student, that is one common rule is there. One common rule applying for all, that is here I am writing in the form of note, each orbital can have maximum, each orbital can have maximum 2 electron, can have what, student? Maximum 2 electron, maximum what? 2 electron. Each orbital can have maximum 2 electrons. Now let us try to understand this. So this is how many types it is? Spherical, it is only one type. One type means one orbital. So one means how many electron possible, student? That is 2 electron. One is clockwise, second is anti-clockwise. So if you want to add one more point, so that is it has maximum what, student? It has maximum how many electron, student? If someone is asking, maximum 2 electron. One electron is clockwise, another electron is anti-clockwise. So this is all about the s orbital. Now let us move for the p orbital and try to understand what is the p orbital, what is the shape of p orbital, and number of electron in the p orbital. So that is when you are going, student, p orbital. So p orbital first point is, student, it is the dumbbell shape. Whatever the dumbbell we use, dumbbell, that is it is dumbbell shape. It is dumbbell shape. It is dumbbell shape. And that is the first point. Second point, what is, student? If you are going to understand second point, after the dumbbell shape, it is what we can write, student? It is having what, student? Maximum 3 types. Maximum how many types, student? Maximum 3 types. Okay. So maximum 3 types. I told you, student, one orbital can have maximum 2 electrons. So 3 types, it means maximum electron will be 3 into 2, that is 6 electron. Next one, third point, it has maximum 6 electron. Okay. Fourth point, lobes are, okay, lobes are where, student? Lobes of orbitals are, I am writing in detail. Lobes of orbitals are where, student? If they are asking, lobes of orbitals are along the axis, or you can say on the axis also. If you are saying, there is no problem, student. So these 3 types orbital are these 3 types, okay? These 3 types of orbital, these 3 types of orbitals are, these 3 types of orbitals are what? That is px, py, and what, student? Pz. This is the 3 types. So let us draw, student. If you want to draw the structure, here we are going to draw the structure like this. And if you don't, all the 3 types. So suppose if you are doing the px, so this is x-axis. If you are drawing the py, so this will be your y-axis. If you want to draw the pz, so this will be our z-axis. Okay. Now let us try to understand, student, px. So here is what is this, student? This is the px, and here if you are going, this is the py, and this one is what, student? That is pz. This is the pz orbital. Okay. So this is what, student? That is 3 types of, okay, p orbital we mention. How many maximum electron you can mention, student? If you want to mention electron, student, this is the 3 orbital I am writing here. 3 orbital. So this is the, if suppose px, this is py, and this is pz. And student, the electron is 6 electron maximum. How you will fill? Firstly 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Maximum 6 electron like we have to keep. Now, student, let us move for the d orbital. So we are erasing this one. Let us try to understand what is the d orbital, what are the types of d orbital. So here is a student, that is a small d orbital. So a small d orbital, student, when you are talking, so this is the first one. It is double dumbbell shape. It is double dumbbell shape. It is double dumbbell shape. Okay, the shape will be double dumbbell shape, and that is second point. If you want to write a student, the second type is it has maximum 5 types. It has maximum 5 types. Maximum, how many types is student? Maximum 5 types. That we have to keep in mind. It has maximum 5 types. Now let us understand student. Third student, if you want to understand third point. So what is the third point student? Third point, if 5 types is there, so maximum electron is student 5 into 2. So it has how many electron? It has maximum, how many electron student? It has maximum 10 electrons. Now fourth point, if you want to write fourth point student, if you want to write the fourth point, so what would be the fourth point? That is these 5 types orbitals are, these 5 types of orbitals are, these 5 types of orbitals are namely, what are namely what is dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, and last one is dz square. This is the 5 types of orbital. Now this is the, now let us try to understand student the structure. First structure, if you want to know, here is firstly 5 orbital I am doing. So let us try to understand student. If you want to write the diagram, here is, okay. So first type is I am doing student dxy. Okay, so what is meaning of dxy? Means the lobes are between x and y orbital. So one lobes will be like this, x, second one is what, this is the y. Okay, so this is the between x and y lobes are there student, so dxy. Next one is what student? dyz. So dyz student, if you want to write that is, this one is y orbital, this is the z orbital. So what we can you put student? That is the between the y and z, lobes will be between y and z. You can put any axis student, there is no problem. Now because this is the 3-dimensional space student, so anyone you can consider x, anyone you can consider y. Next one is dyz. Suppose dzx, last one is dz. So if you are considering dz student, you can consider this x, you can consider this z, anyone you can consider anything. So what will be student? It will be the lobes will be, the dumbbell will be between the axis. Now student dx square minus y square. So that is, here I am writing student, what is I am writing here? Dx square minus y square. So what it will be, the structure student? Dx square minus y square, it means the lobes will be on the axis. So one will be the x axis, this is x, and another will be what student? This will be the y axis. So this is dx square minus y square, dx square minus y square. Next one is dz square. So if you are want to draw student dz square, so dz square, how will be there student? This is the z axis, and this will be the orbital student, where the dumbbell will be on the z axis and one sphere will be on the center. This is the shape of the d orbital. So I told you what are the point student. If you want to know, it is the double dumbbell shape. See the one dumbbell, two dumbbell, one dumbbell, all is having the two dumbbell. And third one, this one here is z. Some student get confused. Student, the dumbbell is on this way. So that is this portion is coming out. The wider portion they are mentioning in the dz. So you have to keep in mind, it has maximum 5 types. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has maximum 10 electron. Here we can mention student, that is maximum 10 electron. How can you be able to mention here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is what is student? This is the dxy. This one is dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, and this is the dz square. Okay, this is what is the structure. Now it has maximum 10 electron. These 5 types of orbitals are namely dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. So these are the 5 types of orbital. Now let us move for the f orbital students. Okay, so what is f orbital? If you want to know the f orbital in detail student, firstly the structure of the f orbital is very complex, you cannot draw on the paper. So f orbital, if you talk about the f orbital, this is important also, d and f orbital. So f orbital is, this is known as what? Diffused shape. Diffused shape. So if you want to know, that is first point is diffused shape, or that is also known as, also you can say that is complex shape. Complex shape that cannot be drawn on paper, that can't be drawn on paper. This is the so diffuse shape, so we cannot draw on the paper. Okay, it has what, student? Maximum 7 type. It has maximum how many type, student? 7 type. Names are not given, student. For these 7 types, we don't know what are the names. Okay, names are not given. Okay, so these 7 types are there, but what we have to understand for these 7 type, student, the basic things, that is maximum number of electron is important. So the maximum number of electron, the maximum, what, student? The maximum number of electrons are, maximum number of electrons are how many? 14 types. 14 types. Now 14, maximum number of electrons are 14. 7 type means 14 electrons. 7 to the 14. You can represent like this, student. How can you represent? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more orbital here. So 1 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is what about the orbital, student. I hope you will be able to understand if you are going through thoroughly. And then after watching the video, you try to read out the book, you will be able to understand completely. Thank you so much, student, for watching.